If you're new to football, it can be tricky trying to see the draw on the GHFA website. So I'm just going to show you how to actually get there. First of all, you want to go to ghfa.com.au in your browser. Click on Fixtures and Results, and it will bring up the draw. Now this is where it actually all the information sits, but it can be tricky. The important thing is you need to actually fill out these fields and make sure everything is correct. So first of all, make sure you're on the Fixtures and Results tab. Obviously the competition this year is 2009 Premiership. Select your specific age group. In my example, I'm going to choose under 9s. The next thing is to choose the club. So we're going to choose Thornleigh FC. Now, nothing's coming up as yet, and the reason for that is that the date range is only showing the next 7 days. This is where it catches a few people out. So what you need to do is expand that date range to capture the dates with which games are being played. So in this instance, I'm just going to jump ahead and go and select the end of May, which will capture the first 8 weeks or so of games, and up come all of the games for the under 9s. Now the next thing you can do is start to filter on your particular division. So in this instance, I'll go to 9-4s. We've actually got 2 teams in the 9-4s. We have a blue and we have a red team. So I click on team and I select the actual team themselves, and bingo, there we have all of the games scheduled so far for Thornleigh under 9 Division 4 blue team.